Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Dope Trades. My name is Deepak and we will be taking a 5-minute trade on IQ option with the help of a price action strategy. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, we are now live on Euro USD. So let's see how the market is doing. So let me delete this. Yeah, and yesterday we were in a downtrend. I drew this key resistant trend line and this horizontal support line. As you can see, the market is moving in a sideways. The market broke out of the trend structure and is currently moving horizontally. Let's see. Guys, the reason why I am doing these videos is so that you can learn and apply the same while you are trading. This area can act as a good support zone and the market is falling below the trend line. Let's see. So this was the breakout over here. You can see the market broke the structure. $170. And the expiration would be for 5 minutes. We had good enough room to take a trade here, but let's just wait for another opportunity. Let the market retrace over here, and if there is a strong rejection, then I'll go ahead and place a retrace trade. So I'll skip forward until I take the trade and then I'll explain you the trading setup. Yes guys, so I have taken a trade here. As you can see, like I said, if the market I believe the market has broke out the structure here and retested the level again, and there was a strong rejection from the market. And as you can see, this candle indicates us that the sellers are strongly present. So let's just wait for the trade to end and see how it goes. And very unfortunately, this is our third loss in a row for the 5-minute trade. So let me explain the setup. And as you can see, the major trend was the downtrend earlier, and the market was ranging, and when the price broke this level and this resistance level, so I thought, as you can see, the trend line was also a good support, and you can see a strong seller movement. And the reason why I took this trade is, you can see there was sellers momentum and the buyers started showing up, and the market started getting rejected from this very level, and this strong bearish candle indicated me that the market would go down. And as you can see, the market started moving down but found a strong support in this price and started reversing back up. And so that's how we ended up in a loss. And I guess I need to start going for reversal trades, because that was giving me good rate of win-loss ratio. So this open breakouts are not going according to my strategy. So that is it for today's session, guys. So we'll come back tomorrow and see how it goes for the 5-minute session, and I will be taking some 1-minute trades, which I'm going to make a separate video on it. Let's see how those goes and if we can recover our loss with the 1-minute trades. So that's it, guys. Thank you for being around, and I wish you all a good day. Goodbye.